So I updated Corolla, the 3D printed Corolla. So now he has a Corolla S body kit. And what the hell is a spoiler? I couldn't make it love. I couldn't make it have. I couldn't make it raised. So I just used double-sided tape and random pieces of paper I had. I actually stole this off of this box. One of these tabs. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, I replaced his wheels with bigger ones because obviously they would look better. Now this looks kind of bad, but if I really put my mind into it, it looks like a Corolla S for sure. Wait. Okay, just making sure there's nothing that looks funny. I should probably I don't know, make the smile in the mouth of the bumper so it's not just black. And then I just use double-sided tape. That is all.